Today I'm going to make a video on how to change the bulb and the third brake light on the 91 to 92 Camaros. So to take it out, there's a T15 bolt that goes in there on this side. And on this side, here's the bolts. And then you just pull it down and it slides out of that. So to get this out, there's little clips on both sides. Just put your finger back there and it's those clips that these hook to. And we're replacing it with this Hawks Motorsports one. It's $25. This is the original bulb. It's a 3156. The one we've already replaced is a LED, and it's technically a 3157, but on Amazon it says it works for 3156 and various other ones. But it just slides in there. So we went with the red LED because white LED, when it shines on the red, it turns like pink. So there's a top and a bottom, and the best way to look at it and figure it out is this clip up here. It goes down. This is the top going out, bottom going towards the bulb, and then this is the top of the light, and this is the bottom. So you just set it in there, slide it down those guides, and then clip it in. And then you put it in there and then slide it up. There, it's in place. And then you put the T15 bolts back in it.